Membership. Sign up with us for a free or paid membership. No auto dealer license is required to buy salvage cars for sale with us. To register, please select one of our convenient subscription options. You can start with a free membership, no credit card required, or register for a monthly or yearly subscription. Free accounts pay 10% broker fee, paid accounts pay 5% broker fee. If you are a US or Canada resident, you are required to send us a copy of your valid driver license. If you are an international buyer, you are required to provide passport information. A monthly subscription is only $24.99 per month. However, if you are planning to buy more than one vehicle, the yearly subscription would be the most cost-effective option for you. It includes all the monthly subscriptions features with a $149.99 savings a year. If you are just looking to buy one vehicle, then Salvage Reseller's monthly subscription could be the most convenient plan for you. Please note that all memberships can be canceled at any time, but the membership's fee are not refundable. For more information, visit our terms and conditions page. Salvage Reseller, the most convenient place to buy salvage cars.